Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to set up the Turtle Beach XL1 series headset, as you can see here. But also I'll be showing you how to sound whore, or whatever it is you can want to call it, in COD. It's pretty easy, but what you'll need to do, you must have a HDMI compatible TV. See this thing here? That input there. Or, I'll just show you, if your TV can use that cord right there. Alright, just let me close the door. Bit of great song there. Thumbs up for the song. Now today, I'll show you this is what you need. You need your Xbox 360. I've taken my front cover off because it's jammed. The thing jams a lot. Hard drive, which you don't really need. I just have that for my games and stuff. I just need to fix this up. Alright, sorry about that. So what you'll need to do, this here, you might be wondering what this is, but if you look at it, you'll notice that this here is actually this part here. And what you need, in order to get it like that, you'll need to, hold on, let me get the other part. You will need to get a pair of scissors and wedge right in between you'll see a crease between each part. You'll need to get a flathead screwdriver, wench it in there, and try and break it apart so far it pops off like that. That's what you'll see inside. And what you need to do when you do that, you'll come up with this. In this part here, you'll need to wrap a pretty thick amount of tape around it so the cords don't come loose or frayed. And then once you do that, just wrap a big piece like this, I've done, around there, so it holds tight. Alright? So now what you need to do is you need to plug the power in. And this is where it comes in handy. Your HDMI cable will plug in there, right under your TV AV, right under your coloured cord input. Then on top of that, see like that, on top of that you'll need to put this in there. They both go in there, like that. HDMI on the bottom. Then you'll want to plug your internet in, play online. This here is just another hard drive, extra memory I've got going on. You might be wondering why you need that. Why you need this grey cord. I'll show you later on while I keep showing you how to put this together, and you'll understand why. Right. So now you'll need your HDMI cable into a socket that looks like that. There you go, it's in. Always make sure it's in. Now this is the tricky part. You will need to get your Turtle Beach headset at the present moment, and you need to bring it over to your TV. I'll show you why. Just wait a second. Hey, I just missed you. This is crazy. Alright, so what you have here is what you'll have here are two red and white cables, but they're not the ordinary ones. As you can see, they're piggyback cords, which enables the sound to still go through here, but instead of that, instead of it going through from the TV just to the headset, you can also go from the TV through to the TV and your headset. They're both the sound colors. So let me plug these in for you. On my HD TV, looks something like this. Wait. Sorry about that. Looks something like this. You'll need to plug your white one in there. Just look at your instructions, what you want. Just red and white, you plug it in here. And you plug the red one in right behind it. So it's like that. Now, what you will need, as you plug your HDMI cable in, you don't need the yellow plug anymore. So what you'll do is you'll grab the grey coloured cord here, and you'll plug your red one in the red socket, like that. And now you'll plug the white one in, like that. And the yellow one can just dangle around wherever. Alright, so good so far. If you get confused, just replay my video until where you're stuck. So what you'll have is it'll look like this at the back, HDMI cable, 2 colours in the back of the TV, and that'll be your Xbox. Your Ethernet, my USB, you don't need that. You'll have the HDMI down the bottom and then the coloured cord up the top, and you have your power source in the other end. With the headset, as you know I've plugged in, on the same cord further down, it'll run off another cord and it'll have a USB on the end. You can either plug USB in the back, where my hard drive is, right here. You can plug it in there, there's a USB socket. That's actually not a bad idea, might change mine. And you plug it into the back, just above your internet. As so. Now just let me plug my hard drive into the front. Yep, like that. See? That's the hard drive. That's the headset. Now what you have here is the beast of all headphones. That's what I call it, because they're a bloody ripper of a headphone headset. As you go along the cord, if you haven't realised by now, you'll come across a part that's like this. The Turtle Beach eForce XL1 Sound Command Base. That's what I call it. As you can see here, it says game. It says game, it doesn't focus. Game. There you go. On the left says game, and right there it says chat. Sorry, I just had the flashlight on. There you go. There it goes, it says on your right, and in the middle it says mic, and on the left it says mute. And then when you have it on, when you say mute, it will come up with this red button. When you flick it, watch, you come up with a green light. And now you got a picture of an Xbox controller here. What you will need to do in the packet, when you buy this, it will come with a headset cord. Just a small, that's the micro USB jack, not the normal one that plugs into your headset. What you'll need to do is you need to plug this headset, this end, into your headset like so. So let me get my controller. In there, so that, just like that. That'll be the strong end, and on the right angled end, you will need to plug that in to the gap there. where the Xbox controller is. Just like that. Push it in. Like that. And yeah, you're all done. It's as easy as that. If you do have any questions about it, let me know by message or video response. I don't know, I don't care. Whatever. Yeah. Now, in my next video, I'll do a sound comparison between the two. I'll show you what the difference is between out having it plugged into the TV and having it plugged into the TV at the back. What I mean is sound whoring and not sound whoring, okay? Thanks for that. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks.